I'm outside the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, where law enforcement departments just like this one are not receiving crucial information. That's according to this letter signed by 36 state attorney generals. A letter from state attorney generals raising red flags on the most widely used tip line for trafficking cases. The letter stating the National Hotline for Human Trafficking is not helping victims because the hotline is not reporting all the tips it receives to law enforcement. Palm Beach County State Attorney Dave Ehrenberg says this issue could be detrimental to victims.
How good is the response if the tips that are meant to go to law enforcement get delayed in the pipeline? That's what the Attorney General is trying to do. She's trying to expedite the matter, and I applaud her for doing that. Information is power here, and we need to get that information to law enforcement so we can save lives and put an end to modern-day slavery.
The letter says data provided by the hotline shows there were over 51,000 calls, texts, and emails sent in 2021. Of those, just over 13,000 were submitted by trafficking victims. According to the hotline's website, tips are not given to law enforcement without the victim's consent, except in situations involving potential abuse of a minor or if they believe there is imminent danger. The letter also accuses the hotline of reporting tips a month, sometimes 2 months after it receives one.
It's imperative that the hotlines we've established are working properly, that they're as efficient as possible. They don't have these long time delays between getting the information and sending someone out to do something about it. So it's important that we get this right because many times we don't get a second chance.
The letter saying, quote, "We cannot in good conscience continue to ask the public to share tips about trafficking in their communities if the hotline will not give us, as law enforcement, the opportunity to address those tips." I reached out to the company responsible for operating the National Hotline for Human Trafficking, Polaris. They released a statement to CBS 12 News saying in part, quote, "Polaris is deeply committed to ensuring traffickers are held accountable and are stopped from being able to continue to victimize people. We actively partner with hundreds of law enforcement agencies all over the country to ensure countless traffickers are arrested and justice is served." The company also tells us they are not failing to report these tips. They're doing their job, which is to make sure that these victims feel like they are in control, which is something that they say victims of human trafficking need. Reporting in West Palm Beach, I'm Amber Robb, CBS 12 News.